So here's how to add pages to Wix website. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First things first, log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look for the Edit Site or Manage Site button and click on it to access the website editor. In the website editor, you'll see the left-hand menu with various options. Click on the Pages and Menu option to open the Pages panel. Now, let's add a new page to your website. In the Pages panel, you'll find a button that says Add Page or New Page. Click on it to create a new page. Wix offers a variety of page templates to choose from, such as Home, About, Contact, and more. Select a template that best fits the purpose of your new page. Once the new page is added, you can customize it to your liking. Use the Wix editor to add text, images, videos, and other elements to the page. You can also change the layout and design to match your website style. By default, the new page will have a generic name based on the template. It's a good idea to rename the page to something more descriptive. Simply click on the page name in the Pages panel and enter the new name. If you want to change the order of your pages, you can easily do that in the Pages panel. Click and drag the pages to rearrange their positions. Once you're satisfied with the new page and its content, don't forget to save your changes. Click on the Publish button to make your new page live on your website. And there you have it. You've learned how to effortlessly add and customize pages to your Wix website.